We want to bring the best of transparency.
Margin is the biggest, so in terms of margin, this is the biggest.
Because if you take other products like home loan, the margins are very thin. It is 2%, 3%. But here you can have a higher margin and you can actually serve the unprivileged people. That way. And for bank also, they cannot open branches whenever they want. The licensing regime is right now in force. But for NBFCs, this is not there. So want to leverage that regulatory facility which is available.
So you told that 90%.
Servicing is what we call for the customer to do month-on-month basis. What happens is if interest is accrued, see, what we are looking at is a customer who is 50,000 customer. For him, one-time payment also will be a big deal apart from the principal outstanding interest. So as a practice, we promote customer to come and pay interest on a monthly basis, and then he can redeem the entire pledge at the end of 12 months. Okay, so we try to think with customer also, so because this burden should be phased out. He should not have one spot burden of coming and paying a huge amount.
You will charge for that? No, not like that. Only flat you will be charging.
He would pay simple interest for 6 months and a peanut charge, whatever is applicable. But we will not retrospectively reprice, which happens in competition.
Yes.
In competition, what happens? They will put it to the highest interest rate from the day one. We do not do that. That is where Mr.
Every month.
The loan to value scheme. Suppose the loan to value is 55%, then we offer 12%.
Okay.
That means it is meant for the households, the salaried segment, and all the people who really need home loan for a short-term requirement. It fits into them. This is the product segmentation we have made, and then we have progressively, as the loan to value goes up, we have the different pricing. And the last segment is attracted towards SME segment or the businessman who needs more money for their business turnover. They don't mind paying a little more interest because they also earn by getting a working capital by RBI.
Okay.
And we have, whatever we do, of course it is with inclination to the regulator, we do it, but there is no restriction.
No, there is no restriction as such from RBI. There is no restriction on it.
And need to leverage their debt stock and gold, because gold doesn't really get additional value until unless the value is unlocked. We are here to help people to unlock their value in the gold and give them a transparent transaction at a reasonable price, and that their doorstep, wherever we are spreading out to get to their doorstep.
Run through, and when they get the return, they close the loan. So that will be
How has the industry been growing in the last few years? With the gold price going up, how has the industry been growing?
One more round of capital infusion, around 120 crore.
What are the capital infused?
It will be, we are expecting.
Earlier
Earlier it was 70 crore.
as of now.
As of now, we are expecting 120 crore more.
120 crore.
Advantage to the public.
Online facility as in the approval will be...
Yes, we are using the system that we giving the approval for all.
There is a central server and everything happens through internet.
The essential customer will come within 3 or 4 kilometer radius of the branch. Nobody from Pallavaram will come to Ananagar to place gold. Okay, there are enough and more players. So we are locally popularizing with local people, with local advertising, local pamphlets. We are locally popularizing, and we would like to serve the local customer in local places rather than
12%.
12%.
Right now, 225.